In this video, I explain how to decide how many terms there are in an arithmetic sequence. If the arithmetic sequence goes on forever, then there's obviously an infinite number of terms. But if it's a sequence that stops, for example, then you can find out how many terms there are. Now the key is to use this formula for the terms of an arithmetic sequence. Now this formula, for example, tells you that the third is equal to the first plus something times the difference, and whatever that is will match that. So for example, it tells you that the third, unsurprisingly because you can see it there, is 20. So that n refers to how far through the sequence you are. So the best one to use if you want to find out how many terms there are is to use this one. So that term is an 800, the first term is 10, we have a common difference of 5 still, and now you just solve this equation. 790 divided by 5 is, I think, 158, I think, yep. So n equals 159. So that is how you directly decide how many terms there are in a sequence. Now, a related question is things like this. If you were falling from 113, we might want to know what the first negative term is. So let's find out how long it takes to get to 0. Okay, so the formula is this: Tn equals 113, that's the first, plus n minus 1 times negative 6. Simplified, that's 113 plus 6 minus 6n, which is 119 minus 6n. So, can that formula spit out 0? Let's see. So that's 19 and 5/6. So in other words, it can't spit out a 0 because remember, n means your position. You can't stick a th, nd, st or rd on a number that's not whole. So what this has suggested is that if it takes 19 and 5/6 terms to get to 0, it takes 20 terms to get to the first negative 1. So the first negative 1 is -1, and there you go.